How to make natural root killer. Unlike more desirable plants, weeds grow rampantly and are difficult to kill. Although you may think you've eliminated the weed by plucking it from the ground, its roots have already begun to grow other weeds beneath the soil. Spraying the roots directly can kill neighboring plants, but vinegar is a natural weed killer that can kill leaves as well as roots. Things you'll need: 4 quarts vinegar, 1 quart liquid dish soap, 1 gallon jug, spray bottle, plant covering, trash bag. Combine 4 quarts of vinegar and 1 quart of liquid dish soap in the gallon jug. The soap will help remove any waxy coating from weeds so the vinegar can do its job. Shake the jug to mix the ingredients and pour some into a spray bottle. Cover the plants you want to keep so the root killer doesn't harm them. Spray the weeds generously from top to bottom, but be careful not to spray the ground. Spraying the ground can prevent desirable plants from growing for up to 2 years. Repeat step 2 every day until the weed is completely dead. Pull it from the ground and dispose of it in a trash bag. Tips. Warnings. The garden counselor recommends using 5% vinegar.